missing. There is this bracket that goes like all the way to the frame, and it hooks in two rivets. So now because it's with the rivets, makes me think that nobody's gonna sell the bracket separately. So I did find the bracket. I found it at the dealership. I thought I'm gonna have to work there and wait for a couple days, which I don't have time for that. But I went to a couple dealerships and that one had it. And the rivets. Okay guys, so we are done with the Civic from exterior. It's all complete and it turned out to be super nice. I'll show you all the gaps, the paint match and everything right now. So there she is, outside in the raining, looking all clean. So we fixed this fender, we changed the hood, changed the bumper, changed the grills, except this one in the corner. We blamed the fender, didn't touch that door, paint the hood, the bumper. From this side, we changed the headlight, the grill, and changed the fender. We changed the door and blend the other door to match the paint. So the door is painted, the fender painted, and the bumper is painted. I said it's complete, but it's not. But I promise I did bought it. I didn't put it because they gave me the wrong side. This one is from other side. So I gotta go and exchange it, but that's gonna be on Monday because they don't work on the weekends. So yeah, that's the car. It looks pretty nice. If you look at the gaps all around, they're super tight and nice. On the grill and the hood, everything but it's part of the radiator support, so nobody would sell it separately, which I didn't want to buy the whole radiator support because that would be a lot of work and some money. So I did fix this one, kind of bend the back the way it's supposed to be, which is it turned out to be really good because all the bolts, everything matches, and the gaps, everything are super nice. So I kind of saved a little money on that by fixing it by herself. So that was the 2018 Honda Civic that I got it for my mother-in-law, and the car from outside is complete. The paint matches really good, the gaps are perfect, so I'm really happy for the work we did on this car. But you guys stay tuned because another video is coming for the interior. We still have to change the airbags, we gotta change the seat belts, we have to fix the headliner and reset the computer and paint the windows. So you guys stay tuned. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and we'll catch up to you later.